Hey boys, welcome to another video. Again, going to show you the Spiker update version. Here is the arrow. I'm going to open a trade. This update brings more accuracy. Keep watching, guys. Multiple trades open on. Boom. Index. Waiting for a spike. Once the spike appears, you're gonna close in profit. So let's wait and watch. Stop loss will be 3 candles. If there is no spike, stop loss gonna hit. You guys will see. Look here, guys, a big spike. So this is actually what the accuracy and what's the matter in this system. What we want to tell you, what we want to show you. 2 trades, 2 multiple trades, and boom, 500 index. We're holding these trades. Let's see if there's another spike. Holding the trade for more spikes. If you guys want to get this system, check the description, chat with our team. The guys available for help. If there's any queries, please reach to our team. They will answer all of your queries. Join our group where we post daily basis of free double lots of signals. You guys earn a free lot of profit. Absolutely, it's free of cost. Joining our Telegram group. If you want to get the copy of this system, you guys watch our videos and check the description, the chat with our team. They will help you, okay? Look here, here is the second multiple spike. So this is the power.